So our next leg is from Lido, which is Lima India Papa Victor. I think it is near Venice, as you see. And I want to fly to a private airstrip which is a little bit south of a city called Comiso. It doesn't have an ICAO code. So what we do is we say next leg, which is then the initial departure will be Lido, and the destination is an airfield near Comiso. Comiso. Let's see if we can find it. Comiso is in Italy. I don't want the airfield because that has an ICAO code. I want the Zulu 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 location. And I should know where it is. It's somewhere. There it is. You see here the runway 07. So I'm dropping the pin right there, and that will be my destination, and set as destination. It will ask me for the name, and the name of the field is Ragusa. Oops. Airfield. So now we have a route which is direct from the north of Italy in Venice all the way to the south of Sicily. Let's see if we can find some flight plans, or actually some routes, some IFR routes. Or Lido is VFR only, so it's an IFR-join, and the airfield in Sicily, it's going to be VFR only as well. Its direct flight will be 3 hours 15 minutes. And let's see, we're going to search. Maybe it might find something for us. That's one. Looks okay to me. Yes, validated. It says it's perfectly valid. So now we have a route. Actually, we fly from Lido to a private airstrip, but we do need an alternate. So Comiso is only like 8 nautical miles away from it. Lima India Charlie Bravo, and I'll put that in as an alternate. We're going to fly it at flight level 200. It's an IFR-join. The route will be like this. It's only a few minutes overhead, and it will be a 3 hours and 30 minutes flight. I actually did this flight last year, so it's a beautiful airstrip next to a hotel on Sicily, and so we just have to change the endurance, of course. It needs to be something like 5 hours. 30 minutes. PUB will be 2, or to be notified. And we're ready to file it. So, but you can also now request the briefing pack, grommet, and the plates, if the plates are available. Save. The nice thing is that I can also move this now into Sky Demon. Let's see if Sky Demon will find that airstrip. Maybe not perfectly, but should get close. The initial climb is a little bit odd. But let's have a look. So go through Italy, By the way, it's now in VFR mode, and I can switch it, of course, to airways mode. And then I can see all the airways. But once we get to Sicily, we have to see if we can find the airstrip. And you see already, it's not far away from it. It already identified Ragusa Giubiliana as the airfield, so, and it had it snapped right to it. So actually I'm all set to fly. Of course I do have the plates only of Comiso and not of Ragusa. You have to ask the owner for it. It's a private airstrip. The plates are not officially published, but you see that even if you fly to a VFR field with no ICAO code, you can still find IFR routes. And that's pretty cool. And then move it straight even into Skydemon. Enjoy the flying.